In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Word print not working on Windows 11. We're using the fastest, most reliable quick fix, saving your document with a new name and in a new location. This simple action often clears up file path and permission issues, refreshes the document's internal links, and removes minor corruption that can prevent printing. With your document open in Word, head to the top left corner and click File. This opens the Backstage view where all your document management options live. Next, choose Save As. It's important to use Save As rather than Save. Save overwrites the current file in the same place, which can keep the very problem that's blocking your print job. Save As creates a fresh copy, and that fresh copy is what helps break whatever is stuck. When the Save As panel appears, select a clean local location like Desktop or Documents. Sticking to a local folder on your Windows 11 PC helps avoid network hiccups, cloud sync delays, or permission conflicts that sometimes stop a file from printing. If the quick access list is visible, you can simply click Desktop or Documents from there. If you don't see them, navigate through this PC and then into your user folders. Keep it simple and choose a location you can find easily. Now, rename the file. Give it a short, clear name that's different from the original, using only letters, numbers, spaces, dashes, or underscores. Avoid special characters and very long names. If you see the file type field, make sure it's set to Word document so you keep the .docx format, which is the most stable for printing. Renaming ensures Word treats this as a brand new file, which helps reset cached paths and embedded references that can silently fail during print. Finally, click Save. Word will write a clean copy to the new location with the new name. This forces the program to rebuild the file's structure on disk, update links to images or fonts, and reset permissions in a way that often resolves print issues instantly. You'll also preserve your original version as a backup, just in case you want to compare or roll back later. That's all there is to it. By using File, Save As, choosing Desktop or Documents, renaming the file, and saving, you've created a fresh, local copy that avoids the most common roadblocks. Keep this trick in mind whenever printing acts up. It's quick, safe, and surprisingly effective on Windows 11.